Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we will be replacing the motherboard on a Conga 4090. This process requires precision and the right tools. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any electrical damage. Ensure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing screws or small components. Begin by removing the back cover of the Conga 4090. Use the Phillips screwdriver to take out the screws located around the perimeter. Keep these screws organized, as you'll need them later. After removing the screws, gently use the spudger to pry open the back cover, taking care not to damage any clips. Once the back cover is off, you will see the internal components. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean any dust buildup using a can of compressed air. This helps maintain your device's performance and longevity. Next, identify the motherboard. It is usually the largest board and will be connected to various cables and components. To disconnect these, carefully unplug each connector. Make sure to note where each cable goes for reassembly later. Now, remove the screws holding the motherboard in place. Typically, there are 4 to 6 screws securing the motherboard. As you remove them, store them in a safe place, like a magnetic tray, to prevent losing any. With the screws removed, gently lift the motherboard out of the chassis. If you find any resistance, double-check that all cables have been disconnected. At this point, compare the old motherboard with the new one. Ensure all ports and connectors match. If you don't have the tools or are unsure about the process, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. Our service includes pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you, no calls, no travel. Now, to install the new motherboard, simply reverse the steps. Place the new motherboard into the chassis and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect all cables, ensuring they are firmly attached to their respective ports. After all connections are made, double-check your work. It's crucial to ensure everything is correctly in place before reassembling. If you are uncertain, we can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know what to expect. Finally, replace the back cover, aligning it carefully. Secure it with the screws you saved earlier. Once everything is back in place, power on the Conga 4090 to test if the installation was successful. Look for any unusual sounds or issues. If anything seems off, consult a professional. By following these steps, you can successfully replace the motherboard of your Conga 4090. Regular maintenance can prolong the life of your device, and we're here to help with any needs you may have. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.